my face pale. Today I have liverwurst. I know how much you like liverwurst, and I have a older liverwurst video that's pretty popular. Do you like eating it? Sandwiches or whatever? Sometimes it's called Bronxburger. Come in a log about that big. This is 2 pounds, so I'm not going to eat 2 pounds today. But I used to always eat this with my grandparents. My grandfather would always bring it home like this. You could buy it already sliced too. Today, I'm going to fry it. How's that sound? Did you ever have it fried? I'm fried in butter. Okay? Look at this. Some people spread it on their crackers or on their bread if they can. Like pate. It's part pate. Got liver in it, right? Not the worst of the liver, the best of the liver. So I'm going to cut some slices about 3/8 of an inch maybe. Just 4 for now. I got butter back there heating up in my frying pan. And I'll be eating this at lunch this week maybe, because I like it. Alright. Got some butter back here. Heated up nicely. See? I'm going to put them in the pan. Oh yeah. I'll let them fry. Ooh, it smells so good right away. Must be the butter, huh? I'll let them fry about 6 or 7 minutes on each side, and then I'll show you a close up. I'll let you smell it a little bit. Then I'm going to eat it. I'm going to take a bite. You going to fry your liverwurst today? It smells so good. I feel like flipping it already. Should I, or should I wait?
Wait a little bit.
Whoa! I was thinking about frying this a few months ago, and I thought it might just fall apart, but I think it's going to be good. Yeah, it's only been about 3 minutes, but I can't wait. Oh, see? Maybe that's all I need. My pan was hot. Looks almost like pork roll. Oh boy. Oh, alright, turn the heat down a little. That pan was warming up while I was talking to you. You can cut these in chunks too and make like a stew out of it. Add a little more butter because I like how it smells. The Wacky Chef. Doesn't that look scrumptious? You want some? Liverwurst pizza, Eddie. Cut that in chunks and put it on there. Experiment. I got a nice fresh bun over there with a... I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to put on. You'll see. It's going to be so good. Stick around for a couple minutes. Whoa! Look how they're splitting. Reminds me of pork roll. I love it. I'm gonna melt a hunk of cheese on 2 of these. How's that sound? Oh, there's my cheese. And I can make a double sandwich. Or a quadruple. You might need a quadruple after this. Lovely. So it's only about 3 minutes on each side. Excellent. Guess it depends how hot your pan was. I'm just going to put 2 on my bun. And put your cheese in the middle. Oh, okay. And this is for you when you get here. Look at that beautiful hunk of liverwurst. I don't believe this is happening in my house. Oh, first let me put a little mustard on the bottom before that space gets taken. Got that? Which one's mine? Which one's yours? Join me I'm coming. Huh? Time to eat. See the good stuff? A hunk of onion slice. Like a hunk of onion on your pork roll. Liverwurst. I really think it's pork roll now. Medium rare with an onion slice. What else you like? I like minced garlic.
It's fresh.
I like horseradish. And this is strong horseradish. Put that there. Nice fresh soft bun. A little more spicy brown mustard. My eyes burning from the horsey. Try this, okay? Well, wait, let me taste it first and see. Let's experiment. Going in, boys and girls. Check that beautiful thing out. Double fried liverwurst sandwich. I would never thought I'd become have this today. But I'm gonna taste it right now. It has that great liverwurst taste, the crunch of the onion, horseradish, garlic, a little bit of crispiness around the edges of the meat, if we can call it meat today. Oh, when I was looking it up, let me see my phone there, please. I was looking up if liverwurst is good for you or not, because you figure it's probably not, right? But what I found was liverwurst can be a good source of healthy fats, amino acids, minerals, and vitamins, including vitamin A and B12. It also brings a good amount of iron, magnesium, selenium, whatever that is, and zinc. I think I'm going to glow in the dark after this one. With muscles! Alright, this is so good. Try it. I know you like liverwurst because you liked my last video. Well, maybe you don't, but he does. And she does. Fry it. Chop it up in cubes, throw it in your spaghetti, put it on Eddie's pizza. Whatever you like to do with it. I do love it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Talk to you soon.